This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System, taking place on 1 February 2025 at Praxis, Hobbygonj. The center number is ELO57. The candidate is Nujat Islam Ilma. The candidate number is 075711. The examiner is Tashmia Sultana Promi. The examiner number is 54549. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What's your full name, please?
Nujat Islam Ilma, but you may call me by my nickname Ilma.
Okay, Ilma ma'am. May I see your ID, please?
Here is it.
Thank you. Here it is. Now I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. What do you do?
Ma'am, I'm a student. I'm studying in honors first year in a national university now. But now I am preparing for my IELTS exam.
What about your subject?
My subject is zoology, which is actually a subject which is based on animals. I choose this subject because I am quite bad at mathematics. So I thought if I choose this subject, I will escape from the math.
Okay, let's move on music. What's your favorite music?
Actually, my favorite music is folk songs. This is my favorite because I feel like this is very close to me. This is actually my country cultural songs. That's why I like these types of songs the most.
So, do you like to listen to live music?
Not actually. I'm not that much comfortable with live music. So whenever I get time, I try to listen recorded music.
So, in your country, is it popular, like to live music to listen?
It was not popular in the past, but nowadays it is getting popular in my country. Nowadays, live concerts are much available and people go there.
So, have you ever been to a concert or musical occasion?
Not actually. I have never been any concert or a musical live concerts.
So let's move on newspaper. Do you often read newspapers?
Yes, this is I often read newspapers. I got this habit from my father because he was very much fluent about this.
So then do you prefer to read local news or international news?
I prefer both. I love to know about the news of my country and the other countries. So whenever I get time to read newspapers, I read both news on paper.
So do many people today read newspapers or not?
Sorry, ma'am?
Do many people read newspapers or not?
I think in my way of thinking, many people read newspapers because they get the information from these. So they prefer to read newspapers daily.
So do you think newspapers will be important in the future time?
Actually, I am partially agree with this statement because nowadays internet is much easier. If anyone wants to know about any news or any information, it is very easier to access in online. So in the future, it will be not that much.
Thank you, ma'am. This is the end of your part 1. So now I will move on part 2. I'm going to give you a topic and I would like you to talk about it 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say and you can make notes if you wish. So do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here is your paper and this is your pencil. So here is your topic. So your topic is talk about the TV show you like to watch. You should say what is the program about, when do you watch it, who do you watch it with, and why do you like to watch it.
Okay.
So this is your topic here. You have 1 minute to take your notes. Your time starts now. Please start speaking now.
Uh, Actually, TV programs all is a one kind of program where the comedy or any specialized content shown. So, as I am a candidate of IELTS examination, so I don't get much time to show TV regularly, but I have one specific TV show which I love the most to watch, and this is a Indian TV program, Laughter Shapes. I choose this program because from this program I actually get much pleasure, entertainment, and enjoy. This is actually a cooking program, but this is not only a cooking program but also a comedy. Also, all the stars of a specific channel cook together on this show. I am very fascinated. I am always have fascination on cooking. So I have a passion on cooking. So I used to show this TV program. Uh, I actually watch it all alone. But when I'm with my cousins or my siblings, we watch this program all together. This I feel like this is very close to me because all of my favorite actors and my favorite content creators cook together in this
Thank
TV
you, ma'am.
program.
This is the end of your speaking part 2. Now I will take your paper and pencil. Thank you. So we have been talking about a TV show. So let's move on part 3. And I would like to ask you some questions related to this. So first of all, I have to ask you what kinds of TV shows are very popular in your country?
In my country, uh, actually the content based on family they are most popular in my country. Not only this but also the programs based on music, comedy, cooking are much popular, are much famous because the people of my country used to watch these programs regularly.
So do you think watching foreign countries' TV shows impact our lives nicely or what?
I think foreign countries TV shows impact our culture because showing that programs we used to know about their culture, their traditions, their habits, their uh, everyday day-to-day work. So this actually impact on our lifestyle incredibly.
So in your opinion, watching TV shows can be an educational way for your country children.
In my way of thinking, it can be. In my country, children can be beneficial from the TV programs if the program are in educational sector. If the programs made with informative things, educational content, it could be a, it could be important part to know
So,
for children.
do teachers in your country play videos in your classroom or whatever they're making their classroom in your country?
In my country, not always, but sometimes our teachers plays videos on classrooms. Uh, uh, on the time when the teachers want to show us something practically or want to show us something visionary, they used to play videos, because on that way, say, students or learners can see the thing eyes to eyes, and it will better for them to see something, and will be good. That's why.
Thank you so much. This is the end of your speaking test. Now I'm gonna give some feedback for your speaking test. First of all, I have to tell you, your speaking was really nice. You were quite a bit nervous, I think so, but hopefully you will cover it out when you will come next speaking test. So বাংলায় আমি বলি, যদি আপনি লিঙ্কিং ওয়ার্ড নিয়ে একটু কাজ করবেন প্লিজ। বিশেষ করে পার্ট 1 আপনার অনেক ভালো ছিল, আপনার পার্ট 1 এ মোটামুটি আপনি বলতে পারছেন সবকিছু, কিন্তু ট্রাই করবেন যে এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি নলেজ বা এক্সট্রা অর্ডিনারি ইনফো না দিয়ে বেসড অন ইনফো দেওয়ার। যেমন ধরেন 3 থেকে 4 লাইন, ইটস ওকে ফর ইউ ফর পার্ট 1, ইউর পার্ট 1 ইজ রিয়েলি অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েটিং। অ্যান্ড আমি যেটা মনে করি যে আপনি কিছু লিঙ্কিং ওয়ার্ড ইউজ করতে হবে, যেমন ধরেন and on the other hand, but or এগুলো খুবই দরকার টু ইমপ্রুভ ইউর স্কোর। পাশাপাশি আমি বলবো লিটল বিট প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন নিয়ে কাজ করতে হবে। আমরা যখন প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন করি কোনো একটা টপিক বেসড কোনো ভোক্যাবসকে, তখন আমাদের প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন ভুল হলে আমাদের একটু ইয়ে করা হয়, বেডলি দেখা হয়। সো এইটার উচ্চারণ, একটা বলছিলেন আপনি বুথ, এটা বুথ না, এটা হচ্ছে বোথ। অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড আমি বলবো আপনার একটা বিষয় নিয়ে একটু রিপিটেশন ছিল, ইট ওয়াজ actually was repeated in different times, try to avoid it. On the other hand, I will tell you and suggest you, whatever you have to join into the speakers club daily. It will improve your score. And hope for the best and see you next time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.